Which vegetable?
We have to translate it. It's a bit like apple,
Okay.
but not the same.
We use translate.
And you can take this or butter.
This is margarine, not
Yes.
butter.
Yes, I know. But normally you take butter.
Okay.
And you can take this. It can look better. Super.